wanted to let you know that sometimes entropy changes as far as the living systems, they affect systems in other ways, not just the molecular level. So in chemistry, we tend to look at the small details, but the whole picture is that this system, the force responsible for the movement of these molecules is the difference in entropy and free energy. At equilibrium, the concentration of the molecules are equal on both sides, and thus the free energy is equal on both sides. The rate of the molecule movement across the membrane is equal in both directions. There is no net movement across the membrane. No outside energy is needed for this to occur, so it is a spontaneous reaction. The difference in concentration of oxygen and carbon dioxide is the driving force moving these gases from the lungs to various body cells. Again, these are spontaneous reactions that allow us to function and to utilize oxygen from our bloodstream. The excretory system also utilizes this free energy system, and many molecules are transferred across the membrane as a result of passive diffusion, where entropy is the driving force. The delta S is the driving force, and no energy is needed for these functions in our body. Ecosystems also utilize this. The second law of thermodynamics is responsible for the declining amount of free energy as it's transferred from our producer level all the way to our tertiary level, if you remember this from biology. It's estimated that only 10% of the energy found at one trophic level is transferred to the next trophic level. There are 3 reasons why only 10% of the energy is transferred. Number 1, not all the energy is consumed from the supporting level. For example, in a stable ecosystem, the grasshopper will not consume all the grass. Number 2, once consumed, the energy is not totally utilized. For example, the grass that is not broken down is excreted. And number 3, as energy transformations occur, a certain amount of energy is converted to unusable energy or heat. Also note that less than 1% of the energy that reaches Earth is converted into chemical energy from the grass or from the producers and the plants. Thanks, guys, and have a great day. Continue to work on those equations and let me know if you have any questions.